on India 2014 as the focus now shifts to government formation. Senior BJP leaders now going into a huddle. Uma Bharti, Varun Gandhi along with Ramvilas Paswan and also Vaiko are meeting the BJP President Rajnath Singh at his residence. Also a lot of action now happening at the Gujarat Bhavan where Arun Jaitley in fact will be there. Amit Shah is already there, and remember that also that very significant meeting between Jagan Mohan Reddy and Narendra Modi will happen at the Gujarat Bhavan, from where Aditya in fact is with us. Aditya, obviously there is a lot which is going to go into the, tactics of government formation. But the big question obviously is, will Narendra Modi have a free hand as far as government formation goes? And who are the probables that you're getting to hear?
Well, absolutely, Deepthi. At this moment, the confirmation coming in that the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has given a free hand to the BJP's PM designate Narendra Modi to formalize the entire cabinet, but at least 50 to 60 names have been really given to Narendra Modi and his closest aide Amit Shah and Arun Jaitley to decide. So that is why today is the crucial day when Amit Shah, who was the UP in charge, and also goes to his credit the 73 seats that the NDA have achieved in Uttar Pradesh. Amit Shah and Arun Jaitley both are in fact going to meet Narendra Modi. The crucial meet is going to begin today on the cabinet formation. Also at Rajnath Singh's residence, there are several key leaders including Shahnawaz Hussain and also Satyapal Singh, who had defeated Ajit Singh from Bagpat. They have reached Rajnath Singh's residence. Now these meetings have been continuing since last 2 days. Even Narendra Modi has been camping here in Gujarat Bhavan in the national capital just next to 7 RCR before the big day. We are getting to know that on May 22nd, that will be the day when the Bharatiya Janata Party stakes claim to the Rashtrapati. They will meet the President, Honorable Pranab Mukherjee. They will stake the claim to form the government, and perhaps next week around May 27th, the swearing-in ceremony might take place in New Delhi. So all eyes now on the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh and also the crucial meeting that the Narendra Modi, Amit Shah and Arun Jaitley will have on the cabinet formation.
All right, Aditya, you stay with me. Let's also now get in Vijay, who's at Rajnath Singh's residence. Remember, we've seen crucial visitors there also, whether it's Uma Bharti, it's Varun Gandhi. Vijay, the point here is we've seen a lot of ruffled feathers. I'm talking of the likes of Lal Krishna Advani and Sushma Swaraj. What really is the role that perhaps you're getting to hear that they might be offered?
Well, Deepthi, so far we've been told that the RSS has given a clean hand to Narendra Modi to form his cabinet. However, there is a warning and there is a caveat that the RSS has issued to Narendra Modi and the BJP senior leaders that all the veterans should not be ignored and they should be given respectable positions. Having said that, Narendra Modi did meet the BJP patriarch LK Advani. There have been parleys taking place between Rajnath Singh and Sushma Swaraj. Sushma Swaraj does realize that she needs to have a working relationship with the Bharatiya Janata Party Prime Minister-elect Narendra Modi, because of which she too is trying to put forth what she wishes and the kind of role she sees herself in. Having said that, there have been a series of meetings that took place yesterday at Gujarat Bhavan, at Rajnath Singh's residence. We do know that a blueprint has been chalked out by the Bharatiya Janata Party as far as the roles that will be given to senior leaders are concerned. However, there is no clarity as such because the BJP top leadership is very, very tight-lipped about the same. They are waiting for the president to call on Narendra Modi to form the government, after which they will be declaring the key cabinet positions. Here at Rajnath Singh's residence, we do know, as we speak, we have R.K. Singh, former Home Secretary, who's just arrived at Rajnath Singh's residence. He is the winner from Arasa. You've come at Rajnath Singh's residence, sir. What is the purpose of the meeting?
Courtesy call. It's a courtesy call.
There you go. You have R.K. Singh clearly telling Times Now that he's come to meet Rajnath Singh as a courtesy call. He's a former Home Secretary and he has called on Rajnath Singh. Several such leaders, Uma Bharti, Varun Gandhi, Dr. Satyapal Singh, who's a former Mumbai Police Commissioner and who defeated Chaudhry Ajit Singh from Bagpat, has also arrived here. So several leaders are coming. There are hectic parleys. People are trying to lobby for certain ministerial berths that they feel or they want. But as of now, no clarity, Deepthi, as to who gets what.
All right, Vijay, that's the point. In fact, they're all calling this courtesy calls. Aditya, if I can come to you now, you're at Gujarat Bhavan. Remember, that is the epicenter for a lot of action where Amit Shah is there. In fact, we're also getting to Arun Jaitley will be reaching. Now, what's really about the allies? Because a very crucial meeting then happens today between Jagan Mohan Reddy and Narendra Modi. This is, keeping in mind that the BJP already had an alliance with the TDP when they went for polls.
Well, at this moment, let me just bring in this bit of news that Arun Jaitley has also reached Gujarat Bhavan. Both Amit Shah and Arun Jaitley, who are the closest aides of BJP's PM designate Narendra Modi, are meeting at this moment. The crucial meeting to decide and on the cabinet formation really has begun inside the Gujarat Bhavan right behind me next to the 7RCR. Now touching about the point of allies that you were mentioning, of course the YSR Congress chief Jagan Mohan Reddy, who did comparatively well in the recent election, Lok Sabha elections, will also call upon Narendra Modi and also the BJP President Rajnath Singh today. We are getting to know that he has already left Hyderabad. He is on his way to New Delhi. Also, we have confirmation from Shiv Sena, who have done exceptionally well in Maharashtra. Both Uddhav Thackeray, the chief of the Shiv Sena, and also the youth Shiv Sena chief Aditya Thackeray will be visiting New Delhi along with two MPs of Shiv Sena, Chandrakant Khare and Anand Gite. They will be having meeting with Narendra Modi and also the BJP President Rajnath Singh perhaps tomorrow. They are still on their way to New Delhi. So the allies also trying to reach out to both the BJP chief and also Narendra Modi.